GPO30W dual USB port car charger Type-C GAN fast charger for HP Dell, LE and OV and laptop charger AC/DC USB Type-C universal laptop power adapters. Fast features: CEFCC Rose CB approved. With PC material. It's high temperature resistance and flame retardant. With 4 protections: short circuit protection, over voltage protection, over current protection, over temperature protection, real power, full load aging testing, 100% loading testing. We have been supporting our agents with great conditions to develop business in local market. Welcome you join in us. Looking forward to your advice.